The RAF has just celebrated its centenary in the United Kingdom. This video explores the records that are available to help you research your ancestors who may have flown with the RAF or served with the RAF during the last 100 years. The RAF was formed out of the RFC, the Royal Flying Corps, and the RNAS, the Royal Navy Air Service, on the 1st of April 1918. This makes it the oldest independent air force in the world. For World War I records, you should first of all check the National Archives, which is based in Kew, London. They have a very good catalogue online which can be searched, and you can check exactly where the records are held, whether they're online or in the archive. Records for the RFC, the RNAS and the RAF can be searched at the National Archives. Findmypast.co.uk holds service records for the RAF. So good luck in hunting for your Royal Air Force ancestors.